Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in this video we're going to be learning the song Thank God I Am Free by Elevation Rhythm. This song is very easy song, not hard at all. I don't think this will be a long video. I'm going to show the chords without the bass, so if you're playing in a band setting, this will be perfect for acoustic, just using the bass chords, not the 1/3 and the 5/7s. We're not going to be doing those for this one. So it would be perfect for a band setting. If you got a bassist, they could play those parts. But we're gonna go ahead and do it as simple as possible for all the beginners out there. It's gonna start with your intro. It's gonna start with your E. Oh, forgot to mention, this is key of E. And also, don't forget to subscribe and like. It really does boost the channel out. Thank you so much for watching. Let's continue. We're gonna start off with our intro. So it's gonna be to the wind. No, I am not ashamed to praise like this. And then we'll go into the verse 2, right? But it's pretty much the same. Verse 1 and 2, they're the same thing. And the intro. As y'all guys can notice, the intro, we're coming in full on strumming. So it's going to be, your strumming is you're going to start with your E. We'll go into strumming pattern in a bit. We'll start with our E chord. And then after you play your E, you're going to hold that E for a while. And then you're going to go to your C sharp minor. And then after your C sharp minor, to your A. And then to your E. That's your intro, very easy. Guys, I finally did it. I created my very own chord chart for Lighthouse Worship. If you guys are learning how to play guitar and you want something that's just easy, something that's just beginner friendly, and this is gonna be just for you, I included the keys of C, key of G, and key of E, including every capo position for those keys. And on top of that, I also included Nashville number system for each of those keys, just in case you don't know the number system. It's an easy way to start learning guitar. I highly recommend you guys check it out. It's in the link in my bio. And back to the video. Strumming pattern, like I said, is gonna be so it's down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, down. Very easy strumming pattern. Very slowly, let's go over it. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. And it repeats. Verse, you're gonna start with your E. I'm shaking off the heaviness. To your A. I'm dancing out, back to your E. I'm dancing out on my regrets, right? I'm throwing caution to the wind. So that's a C sharp minor to your B, right? So again, I'm shaking off the heaviness. I'm dancing out on my regrets. I'm throwing caution to the wind. And then you land on your A, and you build on that A. Well, actually, you don't build on that A. You build on the A after on verse 2, not verse 1, right? No, I am not ashamed to praise like this. And then you go into your verse 2. We're not going to go over it. It's the exact same thing. E, A, E, C sharp minor, B to your A. Okay? Moving on to chorus. Where are those chains that once held? I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. My sin is gone, how can it I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. Look at what the Lord has done. I'm never going back to the way I was. I'll sing, I'll dance, 'cause I believe I'm free, I'm free. Thank God I'm free. And then you go back into your little instrumental, like in the intro at the beginning. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. It's gonna be your E. Where are those chains now? So, where are those chains? To your A. That one's held back to your E. I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. So there is a B right there, right? So, where are those chains that once held me? I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. And then you go into your C sharp minor. My sin is gone. On gone, you go to your A. How can it be? I'm free, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. Look at what the Lord has done. I'm never going back to the way I was. I'll sing, I'll dance, 'cause I believe I'm free, I'm free. Thank God I'm free. And then you go into your instrumental, like I said. That is the chorus. You can go ahead and practice it as much as you need. Moving on, we're gonna go, like I said, instrumental. Very quick. It's gonna be C sharp minor to your A to your E, and then you jump right back into the verse, right? Verse 3. We're not gonna go over verse 3. It's the same thing as verse 1 and 2. Like I said, after at the very end of the verse 3, you build up on the last part of the verse, and then after you do that, you're gonna go ahead and jump into your chorus. After your chorus, you do it again. You're gonna go into your bridge. So let's go ahead and practice it. The cross and you broke your body. You shed your blood and a sinner can see. Debt is paid and my record is. I couldn't do it, so you did it for me. And you kind of get the point, right? So the bridge, very easy. We're gonna do 2 hits on the B, 1 hit on the E. Dun dun dun. And then you switch to your A. And it just repeats that for the bridge. Of course, you're gonna build on that bridge. You took the cross and you broke your body. I couldn't do it, so you did it for me. And then after you do the bridge, there is a tag they do of the bridge. Look at what the Lord has done. They tag that part with the cymbals and the drums and everything. So be aware of that. And then you go back to chorus and then back to bridge and back to chorus. And then you end on the chorus. Like I said, guys, this is a pretty easy song. It's going to be a pretty short video. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I make videos like this all the time. I'm planning to make way more videos. It's Elevation, Josiah Queen, all types of worship, all Christian music. If there's something you want to watch, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.